Hey everybody, welcome to our group project from Internet of Things. Well, let me introduce first of all the group members. We have five amazing boys. Let me introduce them one by one. Shoymardonov Abdullah, it's me, Shirbayev Jawahar, Farhod Shabos, Irgash Noderbek, and Alabirdif Mansurbek. We formed the team and we decided to create such an app which helps the people to overcome their inactive lifestyles. What I mean by inactive, we are going to call our application as SLP, which means sedentary lifestyle preventer. Well, all of you know that sedentary lifestyle means inactive lifestyle, which increases all causes of mortality, double the risk, the cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and others. And most of the time, such kind of people spend their time in front of the computer playing mobile phones and etc. So in a few moments you'll be able to know what kind of project we are going to do and you'll be interested in it.
Well, my name is Mansur Alaberdif, and now I'm going to talk about the integration of IoT devices into our life. Well, what does it mean? First of all, we detect the health condition of the human by the sensors and some devices, and we transmit them into via network to a healthcare server where the artificial intelligence play an important role in terms of processing the raw data gained from these sensors, and it transfers these processed data to the skilled physician or nurse or some kind of hospital treatment service, and they give an assessment according to the condition of the human, of the particular the person, and also and beside this, the human can receive a treatment online. So in the next slide, this is the end-to-end infrastructure of our project. As I have said before, sensors detect the motions and conditions of person, and it saves and a main board with some instructions and algorithms. It receives the information about the condition of life and store it. Then the cloud REST API, and it's and then it the and in this case also some executions and instructions are executed in the cloud with REST API, and it sends a notification to the phone or application of the person's smartphone or computer, and a person can detect whether he or she is inactive for how many hours, and our project, our application suggests what to do in order to increase the quality of lifestyle. So this is the end-to-end infrastructure.
Well, as we are computer science students, we try to make a IoT project that which can keep track of our working hours. I mean, we dive into our work so that we might lose the balance between our work and the taking breaks hours, right? And that's why we try to make a IoT project that which keeps the all the necessary requirements. I mean, it calculates the distance between the people who's sitting in front of the laptop and also humidity of the room, and it notifies about any changes. I mean, about any notifications via buzzer, which is like a notification, and we use the ESP8266 model for sending the data to the internet. So we also can access to all our data from our mobile applications. So you can see that how we implement our project in this picture, and we use the Arduino Uno for the user part. I mean, to track of that, to track of user and to send it the data, right? And we use the LCD displays, ultrasonic, the HD sensors, and the buzzer, and the main component is the Arduino Uno. And this is how our project is how our project works.
Okay, let's talk about a little bit about the technical side, which is I'm going to talk about our application stack. You can see we will have a multiple IoT device such as Arduino and or maybe Raspberry Pi, and those devices should connect to database. We chose WebSocket protocol, which is very what efficient or case, because each second we need to exchange data between the IoT device and the server, and also we need to implement that or the backend site for storing information about all the activities of our application users. And also we will have two kind of what stacks for storing all information to database. We will choose NoSQL database such as MongoDB or maybe Cassandra. Then also in order to what notify our users, we will choose ready implemented what application, which is Firebase Cloud Notification. And you can see the what the infrastructure of our devices. And we talked all about information about project, and we are going to implement that project in our Uzbekistan market. And by doing that, we can verify whether our application will not or work. If we have successfully what launch our application in Uzbek market, then we can go to in Central Asia and worldwide. Thank you for consideration. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.